We'll guide you through how to create a crew logo in Blox Mobile. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really useful to be able to do, and we'll guide you through it step by step. First of all, you need to come out of Blox and go and open up a web browser. I'll use Safari, but it could be Chrome. Then what we need to do is head to the Roblox site. What you can do is go and search for Roblox or go straight to roblox.com. At the bottom, press continue in browser. If you aren't already, you need to go and sign into your Roblox account, and here we are. Now you can go to the top and go and press create, and you want to go to the top left and press the 3 lines, and go down and press creations. Scroll along at the top here and press development items, and you can scroll along and go and find decals and tap there. So this first part is if you want to go and upload your own image as the logo. You can also go and browse through ones on Roblox in a moment. If you want to do this though, press upload asset and press upload, and you can choose where it is. I want to use the GuideRealm icon, so I'll go and use it here. We can then press upload at the bottom, scroll down and find it. There's going to be 3 dots in the top right we can tap on, and tap open asset details, and there you can go and grab the link. You can go and press it and press copy. To browse others already on Roblox, press the 3 lines in the top left, press dashboard. At the top, you can scroll along and select decals, and you can then browse through and find one you want to use. You can select it, and then what you can do is go and grab the link, and you can copy it by pressing and press copy. Now you've got the link, return to Blox. Press the pirate icon over to the left and come into logo link, and you can then go and tap, and you can go and paste it in like so and press return. And there it is, we set the logo.